All a very happy and prosperous new year. Hope you all had a great time. Markets have opened the year on a very bullish note. So we are back to these highs, which are around 17,615. So looking very bullish as of now. We are back to this resistance area. The only point to be considered here is that some kind of resistance or some kind of reaction will definitely gonna come in the coming days, because we have just crossed through the declining 50 MA, and the MA is still declining. That means that there must be some sellers, and the reaction is definitely come. So probably we're gonna see some kind of movement to the downside. Even if you just check out in the hourly time frame, we do not have any strong pivot that we can see in the hourly time frame as well. So what does it mean is that when we are in a strong uptrend and there is no pivot to the downside, that means that prices can come down back to their support area, wherever they will find the strong support. The pivot gives us a level of confidence. It boosts our confidence, because pivot means that there are strong support zones where prices, if dip down, buyers will definitely stepped up, and they will definitely try to stabilize the market there. So we do not have any strong pivot in the downside, and we have just touched the resistance around these areas. So that means that some reaction is obvious. So just be aware of that. Otherwise we are in a kind of bullish run, a kind of bottoming pattern here. So just be aware of the resistance and the reaction, and buy only when you get the strong bullish price action. Then try to catch it up. Let's see what is happening on the Bank Nifty. So again, in the Bank Nifty, we are quite far away from the declining 50 MA. So that means that we still have lot of room to run in Bank Nifty. So that means that we can see more bullish movement in this market, probably after this strong run, because it is continuously moving up from past 3 sessions. So possibility is that it could take a rest for a day or two and then again start its movement to the upside. Otherwise, as compared to Nifty, we have a lot of room left in Bank Nifty, and probably going forward we can see strong movement as compared to Nifty here. So let's just see what is happening on the data side. Okay, so 1100 crore worth of selling in Nifty option, and almost 600 crore worth of buying in Nifty, I'm sorry, the index future from the FIIs. So that is giving this some kind of mixed signals, because they are doing the buying and selling both almost kind of same level, because we have seen few sessions back that they have done the strong buying also in options. So VIX is almost at the same levels. So it is telling us that a market is giving us the hopes of being neutral to bullish kind of scenario. Let's just go back to our charts. Let's just see what is happening on the interest rates front. So as I have mentioned that this bar has actually turned out to be as a breakout failure bar, and since then prices are moving down. Now let's see if prices will able to move down below this support area, this short support area which it has created. And then if we see the interest rates declining from here, as I mentioned earlier also, that it will give a push to the equity markets. Let's just clean this up. Okay. So as I mentioned that markets are looking bullish as of now because they have opened and closed on a bullish note, and it is very logical to think that if prices have moved from these lows to this resistance, they have traveled through all the resistance. That means that there are buying which has started in the market, and probably it will continue, just giving few whipsaws here and there. So just be aware of that. And I think that if Nifty will move down further, or it will just consolidate below this resistance area and then move again to the upside, that would be a very bullish signal to go long. So that's about it in today's analysis. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment box, and catch you in the next session. Thank you. Good night.